playing the smart, clean, sweet claw machine. And I know by the title what you're thinking. Yes, that is a full-on dildo. Now, little exclaimer. I'm just gonna say this now. This is my machine, and I've decided. I don't know what I was thinking. If you know me personally, like outside from YouTube, and you're just mind blown that I would post this type of video, I'm just gonna say I'm sorry now, but I mean it's pretty funny. So like, I had to do it. When I thought of the idea, I was like, oh my god, that would be the best video ever. So we're gonna see if this dildo is winnable. And don't ask me how I have this. No, it is not used. Not yet anyways, yeah.
Not until you use it.
So we're gonna play and
grab the dildo.
Yep. Alright.
You're gonna grab yourself a dildo. Oh, it's like hanging right above it too.
No.
It's
now,
like
this
it knows
might be
where it needs
kind
to
of hard
go.
because it's so small. Oh, and it's wobbly. It's wibbly jiggly. I do not know how we're gonna win this, really.
I don't know, maybe a kid will.
Alright, let's try for it again. I'm gonna have to get this perfectly balanced. Oh no.
You got it good though.
Alright. Let's try that. There we go. Oh, so slippery. That's gonna be very hard to win. Let's try that. Oh, it's tough. Let me come over here because it's so invasive.
Not yet. He's probably gonna kick out of this.
Alright. Oh man. It's gonna be like, so this is what your YouTube channel is about. Just to get it out of the way. Alright, good. We got that.
Sometimes you just gotta grab the balls before you grab the penis.
There we go. Give it a little shake.
The security guard.
I know. Be funny. Alright.
Yeah, seriously, security guard here.
So my idea here is to grab a 2-in-1. Let's see if it'll work. Oh no.
Well, I feel like the placement too. It looks like this is just for everyone.
Too real.
Fast. Like that's the perfect. Yeah. Just those two balls at the bottom of the tip. Kind of small if you really think about it. Look at the foot. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go for it.
Alright.
Oh, it's just not winnable.
Well, I've known for a while that you like to grab dicks.
Alright guys, we have to do some repositioning. I'm hoping I can hook it with this ball. Oh, that's perfect. Come on. Oh. Alright, let's try that. I don't know. It's just,
this is probably the hardest one.
Here we go. Let's try right there. Oh, stay. Yes! We got the dildo.
2 balls and a penis.
Yes!
You got 2 balls?
We did it, guys. We had to reposition it a little bit because it was really hard to win, but... Alright guys, we won this pink dildo. Yeah, it's quite the claw machine prize. I don't even want to touch it anymore. Please don't make a meme out of this. That would be bad. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. It actually was kind of hard to win. I don't recommend, if you see a dildo, don't get too excited because they're very hard to win. And this machine anyways. So thanks guys for watching. Links in the description, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, follow me there. So yeah, thanks guys for subscribing. Big giveaway when I get to 300K. Alright, thanks guys for watching. New videos every week. And leave a like if you enjoyed the video.